These are the materials we'll be using to make our little pocket purse. You'll need 2 pockets for your pocket purse, and they don't necessarily have to be made, they don't have to be from the same pants, they don't have to be the same size. Here's an example of one that used a larger pocket on one side and a smaller pocket on the other side, and we just cut the fabric a little bigger. So your pockets don't have to be exactly the same size. These 2 pockets did come from the same pair of pants. You'll need some lining material. I'm going to recycle some fabric from an old skirt for my lining material. And you'll need something for the strap. You can either make the strap out of denim, or you can make the strap out of something like this. I found this old soft leather belt at the thrift, and I'm going to use that for my strap. You'll need some heavy-duty sewing needles for your sewing machine. This is a denim and jeans needle, and you'll need some pins and some good sharp scissors.